I'm very excited today, Mazzy. I'm incredibly excited. I've been looking for one of these since we got a motorhome, what, a year and a half, 2 years ago. It's one of them machines which cleans your toilet for you. You don't have to empty it, you don't have to smell the pongs, you don't have to go through all this. All you do is put your toilet cassette into a machine and it washes it all and stuff. So, really excited. Let's give it a go. It's just out here. Come on, come on, come on. Here it is. Isn't it beautiful?
Ooh.
I've really no idea what to do here, Mazzy. I'm guessing we are a C250. It looks like one of them. Try not to show our thing because it is disgustingly filthy because it's got a leak. We've got a leak and...
Well, hopefully it will clean that then, won't it?
I'm hoping it will clean that, yes.
Yeah.
So, to start with, if you can put £2 in there, Mazzy.
Yep.
Number 2, select cassette type. Can you press it, Mazzy? I don't want to be touching it if
Which one is it?
I'm guessing with that one we're orange.
What, so I just touch this?
No.
What do I touch?
Oh, I don't know. Now you mention it. Select cassette type. I don't know.
I think it's just either between this or this, so you've got to push this button.
So we're one of these.
Yep.
Right, so we're going this way.
Yep. But hold on, you ain't put your toilet in yet, have you?
Number 3, we have to... No, we don't put it in yet. Number 3, we press start. Number 4...
Oh, hold on. Oh!
Number 4, we have to open up our valve.
Yeah. Do you have to take this cap off the end? No?
The cap stays on.
This is inside, look guys.
Number 5, we'll put that in there. As I say, we've got a leak, we've got a washer broken on us cassette, so a lot of blue's got all over it. So it looks manky. Please don't think we're scruffy. So that is in. Now what?
Number 6, start again.
Number
Up
6,
there.
start.
Yeah. Oh, hold on, what's this? Is it too late?
I don't know what that's saying, because it says there to do that. Maybe it's just saying, are you sure you've done that?
Okay.
And leave it.
So what now, that's shut?
I think that's it.
Oh.
I'll be honest, it's quicker to do it myself.
Yeah, but listen, that's getting really clean.
It's like a proper washing
Let's
machine.
time it.
Time it?
Quick.
It's been about 20 seconds so far now. One thing I will say about these machines, it's still going to stink.
Yeah,
It doesn't get rid of the smell. It stinks.
Sounds like it's going in a dryer. So this is what you got to do.
Includes camper clean microgreen sanitary
Oh, wow.
additive. We don't even have to put any blue in, Mazzy.
Oh, that's good. So
It's done.
For £2, that's not bad, is it?
That is really good. But it does stink. I wish it'd hurry up and clean it because it stinks. So just to quickly run through that again, you put your money in, you choose which cassette you've got, is it one of them or is it one of them? And then you either follow them instructions or you follow them instructions.
Oh,
It's finished. So that has taken about less than 2 minutes, definitely. About 1 minute 50 seconds. It hasn't cleaned the outside, I can see that.
no, the outside is still quite dirty, isn't it?
But hey, if the toilet cassette itself is clean, I'm happy. Oh, don't look in there. Right, one bit of advice for everybody. Don't use this machine, it's rubbish. There's still a lot of scum in there. I won't go into details.
So you've got to go and hand wash it yourself now.
I've got to do it all again. Don't use it. Absolute rubbish. That's my honest opinion. Oh. So that was absolutely terrible. Terrible,
Yeah.
Mazzy. I will never use one of them again.
I can even smell it from here. It's rank, isn't it?
There was still a lot of matter inside the bottom of there. It wasn't clean at all, and it cost £2.
And you've now got to add your own blue.
Now I've got to add my own blue. I've got to swill it all out properly again anyway. Yeah, complete and utter waste of time. Don't waste your time on them machines, people. I'm saying they are rubbish, yes.
Thanks for watching. Please comment and hit the like button. That helps our channel grow.
If you like what you see, click here to subscribe. Check out this other great video.
And if you really want to show your support, join the club, become a Patreon for extra videos and perks.
The more support we get, the more content we can give. We'll see you tomorrow
On
Travel Trolls TV.